So the name of this activity is called soccer skee-ball. Soccer is spelled creatively with a sock, S-O-C-K instead of S-O-C-C-E-R. In this activity, you're going to need 10 sock balls, a laundry basket, a bucket, and a Tupperware container. You want to roll up the socks to make sock balls. Try to make them as round as you can. You want to stack the targets into each other. You can see in here in the picture that the laundry basket is on the outside. The bucket or basket is at one end with the Tupperware inside of that. I set all this up against a wall, and I counted rebounds off the wall because it makes it a little bit easier when we want you to be able to score points. You want to stand about 5 to 10 feet away. When I did mine, I was about 7 feet away. You want to use one foot to try to kick the soccer ball into your target. You get 1 point if it goes inside the big basket. You get 5 points if it goes inside the medium-sized basket, and you get 10 points if it goes inside the Tupperware. You just get as long as you want to try to get those 10 in, and then you tally up your points at the end. Hope you enjoy this activity.
Okay, so here's my attempt at soccer skee-ball.
Oh no!
So I made 6 into the medium basket, none in the big, none in the little Tupperware. I got 5 points for each one of those, so I got 30 points. I hope you enjoyed the game. I hope you do well. And if you want to send me your score, I'd love to hear it. Take care.